Hey guys, what's up? It is Gracie and it is the YouTube Sisters Forster. Sorry about this thing on my hand. It's a dog adopt, adoption. I don't know how to say it, but today we are going to show you all of my squishies that I have. And then one I will be cutting up, but it will be in a different video with my sister. Maybe not with my sister. I don't know. But yeah. So, if you saw my little brother, he's 6. And yeah. But my first one that I have is this one. My friend Mackenzie got it from me. Mackenzie Spain. She's funny, but she's also very, very calm. Not so calm, actually. But it was a little rip right there. It was like to right here for the rip. But I cut it all the way down and then I used it for pencils for writing. So I really like this one. This one's actually one of my favorites. It is made of this kind. It's the only one actually. So we have a lot of gold ones. So we have exactly 4 gold ones. This was from New Year's Eve. So yeah. But they were all made out of slime. I'm going to show you my slime smoothie, but it's going to be in a different video. But, stop. Stop rolling. Where did it go? Okay. But, yeah, this one is absolutely the biggest. Out of all of my slime squishies, this one's the biggest. Now is the one who tied it, of course, because I always make the big ones. The next one is pretty good. It's not so good, but it's part of the medium size, medium colony. So I made this one and this one. Wait, no. Emma made the big one. I made these 3. This one's actually one of my favorites. I put gold on it because I didn't want to try it. I didn't want to tie it, so I just put string around it. It's pretty tight though, so see there. Can't get that to stay. And then I have these 2 little twins that I made out of the same slime. But yeah, those are all my gold ones. I'm going to show you my silver ones. So this one I made from a slime kit that my friend Hayden got me. She's the best. She actually goes to Aledo. Her name is Hayden Spoons. And if you go to Aledo and you're watching this video, she's really nice, but she can be very, very protective. So just remember that. But my hair's a mess because it's like, I don't know, 10 at night. So yeah. My mom is doing a puzzle. My sister is helping them with the puzzle. So pretty much everybody's doing the puzzle except for my brother, Ryan. And then my other brother, Liam, is with his dad. So yeah. But this one's like rippy on the inside, but it's also very, very slow writing. Like, I love this so much. But this one's one of my favorites. Yeah, so next one. We got this one. These 2 were... Okay, so this one was my sister's. This one was mine because it's messy, and I always like to get messy. Wait, no. This one's mine. And then this one's my sister's. So yeah, this one is all kind of slow rising. I don't really know. It's not that slow rising. But yeah, and then the next one It's pretty slow rising. So, yeah, and then I already showed this one, which is the most slow rising actually. But yeah, and then this is the one that I'm going to cut and put it in my slime smoothie. What's that? Oh, it was a piece of paper. But I was going shopping with my friend Hayden. I already talked about her in the video. And she's like, "Oh, you need this. You should do it. And I'm like, "What is it made of?" She's like, "Orbeez." Because it says Orbeez Crush right there. But I'm actually in love with this. I love the color. It's actually almost my favorite color. My favorite color is blue. But that is all the slimes that I have for you today. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye!